Okay. Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Day 4 Basic Business Analytics and Smart Innovation Conference at Vivekanand Business School. Today, it is our pleasure to have with us Ms. Jovita, the founder of Bartisans, a beverage brand which gained recognition on Shark Tank. She's an accomplished entrepreneur with a proven track record in building successful lifestyle and beverage brands. So, I love to welcome you.
Thank you.
And I'd like to ask you some questions.
Of
now.
course, yes.
Okay. So, firstly, what inspired you to get into the beverage industry?
A good drink. But jokes apart, I come from, my previous, I did my hotel management actually. And I was working in hotels. Food and beverage is very, very close to my heart. I've always loved good food, a good drink. To my good luck, my co-founder, who's also my son, Jordan, ended up being a passionate mixologist, did his hotel management as well. Went to Dubai to do his internship, was working at Buddha Bar, if you know, at the Grosvenor House in Dubai. And when COVID hit, he had to come back, and he brought back a lot of learning about cocktails, and we were enjoying some really good drinks at home. And I think it's eventually, when you look at it, it just turned out to be an organic journey that led us to it wasn't really a planned thing that, oh, I will do a beverage business
It's
as
like
such.
a passion just got mixed up.
Absolutely. Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So moving forward, being on Shark Tank was a huge milestone for Bartisans. So can you share how that experience impacted your business?
Oh, massively. Please do not underestimate Shark Tank. Okay, Shark Tank has its massive benefits when it comes to marketing. I think if you would put a value to it, I think some people have worked out that number to be close to a 7 crore number worth of marketing, and it comes for free. So I don't see anybody should let go of an opportunity of being on Shark Tank. Plus, it's a great learning. It's a great learning to evaluate your own business. It gives you this. I'll give you a small story, okay? When Shark Tank started, we were already doing Bartisans, but Jordan refused to get onto Shark Tank because he doesn't speak Hindi and you have to pitch in Hindi. So it took me 2 years to convince him to come on to Shark Tank to pitch in Hindi. That's why if you see the episode, he's a little quiet, and because he's not very comfortable with the language. But eventually it turned out to be amazing because, the country gets to know about you. You get to know where you stand. The judges have great feedback for you. What is shown as a 10-13 minute pitch on television is actually, we were in the tank for an hour and 40 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. It's a lot of learning. It's a lot of evaluation of the business. So apart from the amazing marketing, it's also a lot of learning as to where you stand in your business, what you're doing right, wrong, what you should change. And these are successful people who are telling you how to do it. What greater advice can you get?
I just want to say your pitch was amazing, and the presentation, the whole thing was absolutely a delight to watch.
Thank you so much.
So as a successful entrepreneur, what advice would you give to students who are interested in starting their own businesses?
That you should be okay with failing. I think that is my one piece of advice to everybody. Please be okay with failing. I know as kids, your parents will tell you, don't fail your exams, don't fail. I mean, out of laziness, if you do it, I totally get it. But eventually, you have to be comfortable with failure. I think sport is a great thing. I don't think education is something that I would like to kind of, take as an example here. I think you should play a sport. If you are playing a sport and if you feel that you are able to lose those games, amazing. I think what sports teaches you, so I'm a half marathon runner, right? And I think you should treat your business as a marathon run, because the end where you are reaching that success point is the most difficult point, right? It's like, and there are times, I remember one Mumbai marathon, some random girl knew I was giving up. She could see that I was like, screw it, man. I mean, where is this getting me? It's just, at some point in time, you reach that point where you're like, this is not getting me anywhere. She just held my hand and made me run faster than I had run the earlier 20 kilometers. And the last 1 kilometer gave me my best timing for my lifetime best was at that run, because somebody else and you will find that. You will see that there are other people who will come hold your hand through that journey, be it your family, be it your friends. You will make friends along the way. My advice would be, please network. Do not underestimate networking. I am actually an introvert. I hate it when somebody invites me for a panel. It's my fear, and the bile that rises in my stomach. I hate it, but I have pushed myself to come here. And I just have to convince myself, be myself, just be you, right? And just do it, because eventually, look, you know, there were what, 100 people sitting there today. They got to know you, they got to know your brand. It helps. So, however much you hate it, please meet more people, you know, and yeah, just be okay with failing, dude.
Thank you so much for such an amazing advice. And lastly, I'd love to know about your experience at Vivekananda Business
Oh,
School.
I had a great time today. Thank you so much for having me. I must
Thank
be
you so much for
yeah,
coming.
it was just amazing. I love talking to students anyways. I feel they have a really open mind. They listen to me more than my son listens to me. So I always feel like, Arey, I should do this more. No, but jokes apart, John's a great kid to have. But I had a great morning. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful that you all chose to have me. I mean,
Thank
you
you
could have
so
called so many other people instead. But
So I hope everybody who's watched this video found it really interesting and helpful. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable time.
not at all. Pleasure. Thanks, guys.